First, let's look at the Malaysian's economy. Bank Negara Malaysia report inflation at a low 1.5%, but in reality, as a customers, we feel inflation is much higher because our purchasing power is shrinking. So, this brings us to our case study, which is a McDonald's Malaysia. The fast food industry is very sensitive to prices because MCD relies on raw materials like chicken and oil. Inflation forced them to structure their costs so they don't lose customers. How does MCD survive? It depends on their market structure. McDonald's operate in monopolistic competition, so they face heavy competition from KFC, Burger King, and Texas Chicken. But they are not price takers. They still have the power to control their own prices. Their secret weapon is product differentiation, with strong branding and iconic menus like a Big Mac and Ayam Goreng McD's. They have higher customer loyalty. So even if MCD raises price slightly, customer will still buy it. To stay profitable, MCD must make smart short run and long run decision. That's all from the introduction. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Irfan Isad bin Rozi. My part is about short-term effects of inflation on inputs. First is about supply chain and import pressure. As can we see in the bullet point, first is fuel and transport shocks. This is about global oil market spike immediately raised local RON 95 and diesel rate, driving up refrigerated logistic costs between hubs and storefront. Second bullet point is about import spills. This is inflation in major trade partner like the US combined with weaker ringgit makes importing the ingredient, packaging and specialized kitchen gear much more expensive. That's about margin squeeze. Global price shifts land directly on the balance sheet, rapidly escalating short-term operational expense. Now, second about rising production and labor costs. In the bullet point below, first cost curve shift up. This means rising prices for core ingredient like chicken, flour, oil, and dairy. And shipping drive up both marginal costs and average total costs. Second bullet point is the inflation wage trap. High inflation erodes the real value of worker wages, causing financial stress, lower focus, and failing productivity. Last but not least is the inevitability of higher wages. McDonald's must raise pay or improve perks to retain staff, adding heavy permanent labor costs to the budget. My last point about pricing constraint and digital reality. The below bullet point about first hidden costs of price changes. This is even with flexibility digital menus reducing price print needs. Changing prices still requires heavy internal coordination and risks damaging consumer perception. Second is sticky prices. To keep a competitive edge in a crowded monopolist market, McDonald's deliberately delays retail price hike, absorbing the extra cost internally. The last but not least, the profit squeeze. Because menu prices lag behind rising production costs, earnings face immediate pressure, forcing management to cut ingredient waste and optimize peak hour kitchen efficiency to survive. That's for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Hazim Safam Yusri and my matrix number is AP250258. So today I will discuss about pricing decision and demand dynamics in McDonald's Malaysia. McDonald's operate in competitive market, so it must set a price carefully to attract customer while earning profit. Inflation increase costs such as raw material, labor and transportation. However, McDonald's cannot raise price too much because customer may switch to competitor. Therefore, the company offer value meals and promotion to maintain the demand. Demand also change based on economic condition. When income increase, customers spend more on fast food. During inflation or economy difficult, customer prefer cheaper meal option. Consumer prefers are also changing. More people want healthier food, so McDonald's has introduced healthier menu choice while keeping its popular product. In conclusion, McDonald's balance pricing and customer demand to stay competitive and achieve a long-term success. So, thank you.
A very good morning to total. My name is Joan. Now I want to present my part is 4.0 long-run strategy decisions of McDonald's Malaysia. Considering inflation can increase the operating cost of McDonald's Malaysia, including raw material, labor, and transportation costs. Therefore, the company needs to implement several long-run strategy decisions to remain competitive in the market. First is improve operational efficiency. They can self-service costs, mobile ordering apps, and better inventory management. They can help to reduce operating costs and improve productivity. And the second is diversify supplier chain. Multiple suppliers and long-term suppliers contracts also can reduce the impact of rising input costs. And the third is product innovation. Product innovation is value meals, promotional bundle, and new menu offering because they can attract the customer despite inflation. And the last is digital transformation. For example, MC delivery, mobile apps, and loyalty programs. In conclusion, this strategy can help McDonald's Malaysia remain competitive and profitable despite inflationary pressure. That's all for me. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. For the conclusion, McDonald's Malaysia operates in a monopolistic competition market where it benefits from strong brand recognition and customers' loyalty, but also faces intense competitions from other fast foods. Rising inflation has increased operating costs such as raw materials, transportation, and labor, while consumers have become more price sensitive. Therefore, McDonald's must adapt to economic changes to remain competitive. Several strategies are recommended. Firstly, McDonald's should invest in digital automation such as a self-service and mobile ordering systems to improve efficiency and reduce costs. Secondly, the company should offer more value meals and app-based promotion to attract price-sensitive customers. Third, strengthening partnership with local suppliers help reduce the impact of inflation and supply distributions. Finally, engaging loyalty programs, repeat purchases, and improve customer retention. Overall, by improving efficiency, managing cost, and meeting customer needs, McDonald's Malaysia can maintain its competitiveness and achieve sustainable growth despite inflationary challenges. Thank you.